we're going to look at a special thing that happens when we're solving rational equations called extraneous solutions. Let's demonstrate what we mean first. Suppose we have 3 over y squared minus 5y plus 4 plus 2 over y squared minus 10y plus 24 equals 2 over y squared minus 7y plus 6. And so we're going to start by finding our LCD, which is y minus 4, y minus 1, y minus 4, y minus 6, and y minus 1, y minus 6. So our LCD is y minus 4, y minus 1, y minus 6. And because of that, we know that our y cannot equal 4, cannot equal 1, and cannot equal 6. So now we're going to go through. I'm going to multiply each one by what it's missing. So this is missing the 3 is missing the y minus 6 because it has a 4 and the 1. The 2 is missing the 1 because it has the minus 4 and the minus 6. And the other 2 on the other side is missing the y minus 4. So now we go through and we combine like terms, or not combine like terms, we distribute. 3y minus 18, 2y minus 2 equals 2y minus 8. So we end up with, now when we combine like terms, 5y minus 20 equals 2y minus 8. Let's subtract 2y and add 20 to both sides, and we end up with 3y equals positive 12. And we divide by 3. Y equals 4. However, because y can't equal 4, we have to roll our answer out, and we get as an expression no solution. And so this is what we mean by an extraneous solution. We did everything right in getting the y equals 4 here. And yet, despite that, we still have no solution. So a solution that's ruled out because of the domain is an extraneous solution. Let's show one more example of this. Suppose we have w plus 3 over w minus 1 plus w plus 5 over w equals 3w plus 1 over w minus 1. And so it's real easy to see that our LCD is w times w minus 1, and that w cannot equal 0 or 1. So now we're going to go through and multiply everything by what is missing, or by everything, but all that's going to be left is what's missing. And I should have written that in blue, just so it stands out. And the 3w plus 1 is just missing a w. So now we distribute. W squared plus 3w plus w squared minus w plus 5w minus 5 equals 3w squared plus w. Combine like terms on the left, and we get 2w squared, 2w plus 7w minus 5 equals 3w squared plus w. Let's move everything over to the left side because that's got the bigger w. And we end up with 0 equals w squared minus 6w plus 5. This factors as w minus 5, w minus 1. So w equals 5 and w equals 1. However, when we go back and check against our domain, we can't be 1, so our answer is only w equals